Brand new to our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this 2020 Lincoln Corsair SUV. On the exterior, you'll find power and heated door mirrors, windshield wiper de-Icer, and a 360-degree camera system. Inside, we have comfortable leather seating for 5 with heated and cooled front seats, push-to-start technology, and a pre-collision assist system. The 8-inch touchscreen display is preloaded with navigation and has Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto to keep you connected. This one-owner 2020 Lincoln Corsair has less than 18,000 miles, and it comes with the AutoCheck buyback protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.